In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a checkbox property in ClickUp. If you're looking for a simple way to track task progress or create a quick to-do list within ClickUp, adding a checkbox property is a fantastic solution. It's a great tool for managing tasks, marking off completed items, and keeping your workflow organized. Whether you're new to ClickUp or just exploring its features, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, making it easy to follow along and implement. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and head over to www.clickup.com. Once you're there, log in using your preferred method. You can enter your email and password or use any supported social sign-in options like Google or Apple. If your account is set up with two-factor authentication, go ahead and complete that step to ensure your account is secure. After logging in, you'll land on your ClickUp home screen or the last area you visited. From here, locate the left-hand sidebar. This is where all your spaces, folders, and lists are organized. Navigate to the specific space, folder, or list that contains the tasks you want to work with. Next, open the list where you want to add the checkbox property. Once you're viewing the task table, look toward the far right side of the table header. You'll see a plus icon. Click on this icon to add a new column to your task table. A field selector will pop up, and at this point, you'll want to use the search bar at the top of the selector. Type the word checkbox into the search bar. When the checkbox field appears in the search results, click on it to select it. You may be prompted to confirm additional details about the new column. If so, simply review and confirm to continue. Once that's done, you'll notice a brand new checkbox column added to your task list. Now, you can start using the checkboxes. Click on a box to check it for completed tasks, or uncheck it for tasks that are still in progress. This feature is simple yet powerful for managing tasks quickly and visually. To take things a step further, explore how you can use ClickUp's filters, sorting options, or dashboards to manage and report on the checkbox property. These tools allow you to customize your views and gain deeper insights into your task completion status. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up. And that's it. You've now added a checkbox property to your ClickUp list and learned how to use it to streamline your task tracking. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.